be repeated until the condition is satisfied.
Yes. So you have to tell as a definition. Okay. So this is a statement that will execute some block of statements repeatedly until the condition is satisfied. Okay. So definitely you should always tell as a definition. Everyone should understand. Okay. Because after completing the 12th standard, you can directly go for the jobs by the help of Python. Okay. But whenever you are going, definitely the first process is they will conduct you the personal interview. They will ask any questions, so you have to tell everything as a definition, or you should explain with them examples. So kindly practice from now. Okay. So you are matured, so you should develop your skills. So kindly define everything clearly so that everyone can understand. Students, clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm Yes, I am telling for everyone, so kindly develop yourselves. Okay. So then we are having four types of Python. Okay, actually two types, but the remaining two types are the nested one. Okay, so two types is while loop and the for loop. Okay, so the looping we know that is repeatedly going to execute the same set of statements, but the structure of the while loop and the for loop is different. Structure means the syntax. Okay, the syntax we are using is different. You should know the syntax, that is a general format. The Python can understand that syntax only. So kindly follow the syntax. So whatever the program you are executing, that should follow this syntax. Okay. So I already told you three things. Okay, initialization, condition, and updation. Okay, these three things are very, very important in looping concepts. Okay, students, everyone remember the three things. So
Yes, sir.
initialization, condition, and updation. Okay, so kindly understand that. And so I hope everyone understood the yesterday's program. Okay, so we have explained this program, but now I want to show you, so what is the importance of that updation and condition. Okay, so condition, everything is important, so all the three things. So see here in this example, in this program, so x value 5, while x equal to 5, this is the condition. So if it's satisfied means we are going to print inside loop. Okay, this is the output statement. But there is no updated statement, no updation. So no updation means there is no change from initial value to condition. Okay, that it will not change. Always it will be the same value. So initial value will be the same. So if for this program the condition always satisfying. So what will happen? There is no updation, so it will print the output repeatedly, that is indefinitely. Okay, infinite output will come, so definitely it will be a error program. Okay, so you should give the condition that sometimes it will unsatisfy. Okay, understood everyone? ஸோ இனிஷியல் வேல்யூ இருக்கணும்ப்பா, நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. இனிஷியல் வேல்யூ ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராமில் இருக்கணும், கண்டிஷனும் இருக்கணும், அப்டேஷனும் இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? இந்த மூணுமே ரொம்ப முக்கியம். இது எப்படின்னா, இனிஷியல் வேல்யூ இப்போ நீ ஜீரோன்னு வைக்கிறீங்க, கண்டிஷன் 5ன்னு வைக்கிறீங்கன்னா, இது ஜீரோலேருந்து 5க்கு மூவ் ஆகணும் இல்லையா? அப்டேட் ஆகணும். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் புரியுதா? ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எவ்ரிவன் அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்?
Yes, sir.
ஸோ
Yes.
யூ ஷுட் நீட் த அப்டேஷன் வேல்யூ. அப்டேஷன் வந்து 1ஓ இல்லை 2ஓ 3ஓ எந்த வேல்யூவோ ஒன்று நீங்கள் வந்து இதுலேருந்து அதை அப்டேட் பண்ணனா தான் ஏதாவது ஒரு சுச்சுவேஷனில் இந்த கண்டிஷன் அன்சாட்டிஸ்ஃபையாக ஆகும். அதை அந்த கண்டிஷனை மீட் பண்ணும். இல்லைன்னா அது இன்ஃபைனட்டாக ஜீரோவே இருக்கும். இல்லை அந்த அப்டேஷனும் நீங்கள் தப்பாக கொடுத்துட்றீங்க. இப்போ 0 to 5 அப்டேஷன் வந்து இப்போ +1 2 கொடுக்கறதுக்கு பதிலாக -1 கொடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? ஸோ 0 நெக்ஸ்ட் வேல்யூ -1, -2, -3. சரியா? அப்பயும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, அந்த ஒரு கண்டிஷன் வந்து மேட்ச் ஆகுற மாரியே இருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த கண்டிஷன்ஸ் நம்ம குடுக்கும்போதும், நம்ம கரெக்ட்டா குடுக்கணும். நம்ம ப்ரோகிராம்க்கு ரிக்வயர்டான கண்டிஷன்ஸ் வி ஷுட் கிவ். ஓகே. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் ஒரு கன்சிடரேஷன். ஸோ அதனால தான் இந்த 3 வேல்யூ நான் சொன்னேன். இனிஷியலைசேஷன், கண்டிஷன், அப்டேஷன். திஸ் இஸ் வெரி, வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் எவரிவன் அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? கேர்ள்ஸ் ரெஸ்பாண்ட் மீ.
Yes, sir.
எஸ். குட். So now we will see some more programs. Okay, so actually the question will be question எப்படி கேட்பாங்க அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி நான் சொல்றேன். So now try to give the answers. Okay, so this is the previous program. Now we are going to see the next one. Okay, so this is the series. Now you want to display this series. Okay, students, anyone tell me how to display? What is the solution? So yesterday's program output is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So today's program 2, 4, up to 20. Okay. This is an example. Now tell me, students.
Sorry, x is equal to 1. Say, x is equal to 2.
So by using while program. Okay. So wait for Tikshna Sri. Wait. You can tell in the for loop. Okay. So now tell me, Pa.
Sorry, x is
X
equal
equal
to
to
2.
2, right?
While x is greater than or equal to 20.
X is less than or greater than?
Say less than
Less than or equal to 20.
20.
Very good. Then,
Then print x.
okay.
Then x is equal to x plus 2.
Very good. Students, everyone appreciate Giri Surya. Yes, very good. So show your appreciations by raising your hand. Students, everyone, show your appreciations by raising your hand. Everyone kindly appreciate Giri Surya. Appreciation is very, very important, students. Everyone, both boys and girls, appreciate. Okay, so definitely you people also require these appreciations. These are very much important. Okay. Okay, so see, I'm going to execute this program. So definitely the initial value, see, there's three values I already told you. Yes, thank you everyone. You can lower your hands. Good, Giri Surya, good. So see the initial value is 2. So we are mentioning 2 here. Okay, the last value is the condition. It should stop 20. So we have to give the condition 20. That is less than or equal to 20. Okay, if you are using x less than means less than symbol also there. X less than, then you can give 21 so that it will stop at 20. Understood, Pa? Students, understood? So you can use any conditions. Both are same. X less than or equal to 20, x less than 21. Both are same only. Okay, so you can use anything,
Yes.
whatever you think you can use for your program. Okay, then what is updation means? See the updation, what is the next value, how much updating? 2, the next value is 4, so updation is 2, commonly 2. So next updation also 2, next updation also 2. So actually every time it adding 2 values. So we are doing this updation here, x equal to x plus 2. Everyone understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So now we are going to execute this program. So kindly see. So is the screen visible, students?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I will show everything using the Python tutor website. Okay, so I am using the tutor website. So kindly listen. So same thing you can use in the tutor website or Python software. At any ideally Python softwares you can execute. Okay, everything will show the same output, no issues. Why I am preferring Python tutor means definitely it will show the step by step output. What is the first iteration output, second iteration, third iteration, everything will show. Okay, so kindly listen. I don't know why taking so much time. Kindly note down this. So I will execute now soon. So yes, it's opening. So in the meantime, students, the Tikshna Shri, are you ready for the for loop? Tikshna, can you solve this program using for loop, ma?
Yes.
Yes. So kindly tell me the solutions. Then we will go for the execution. See the above program and tell me
X
the
is
solution.
equal to 2
By using for loop. For loop, no need
for
the
I in
initialization
range.
separately. Yes. So not only I, you can use any variable. Okay. So kindly just I'm using J. Okay. Any variable you can
In
use.
range
For
of 10.
J, yes, range of, yes, tell me ma, 10, range of, Tikshna, range of, Tikshna, am I audible?
Te-
Tikshna, you are not audible ma. Students, anyone? Any other? Give me the range value.
Yes, sir. Sir, 2 comma
2 comma
20 comma 2.
20
Sir,
comma,
21. 21, sir.
yes. So you should think before giving the solution. Okay, 20 means it will stop by 19. Okay, but we need 20 also, so that you should give 21 here. Then only it will stop, right? Then inside
So
we
then
can print
print J.
J. Yes, very good. Okay, I hope Tikshna Sri also will show the will tell the same solutions. Okay, so unfortunately we didn't get her voice. Okay, so this is the tutor website. I'm going to execute the first method by using while statement. So see while statement. So I'm executing. Okay, it requests big screen. Okay. So everyone, the same program, it starts the flow of execution from the first line, x equal to 2, it's storing the value and checking the condition while x less than or equal to 20. Okay, if satisfied, so it go for inside, that is it going to print x. What is x? X is 2. And it incrementing the value x equal to x plus 2. That is a 2 plus 2, then the next value will be 4. So 4 also less than 20, so it satisfies and it going inside. Okay, so we are getting the output, next output 4. Okay, so like this we are going to repeat the same step again and again. So see the output students, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Up to 20 will go, next value will be 22. So it checking the condition and not satisfied. So it terminates. Okay, so there is no next step completed. Okay, so we got the output 2 to 20. Okay, understood everyone?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes. So kindly note down this one. Then the next one, the same program using for loop. Okay. So for j in range 2 comma 21 comma 2 print j. Okay. So I'm executing. See here. first j value is 2. Okay, so it's satisfying, that is within the range only, so it's going to print the value 2. So again, next step, it's going to update the value j4 and checking the condition. Update, first it will update, then only it will check the condition, then satisfying, and it will repeat. The same output will show here also. I am repeating here, see here, 2 to 20. So finally it will stop by 20. Okay, so 21 will not go. So actually the next operation will be 22. So 22 is not in the range, so it terminates the program. Students understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So kindly note down, students. Students, noted means raise your hands, everyone. Noted means raise your hands. Okay. So, but you see here, the output it showed like vertical. That is a 2, 4, next line 4, next line 6, next line 8. Okay. But in the question, it's showing in the horizontal 2, 4, 6, 8 in the same line. So, I'm using this decorator option, that is end equal to, in single quotation, I given only a single space. Okay. End equal to, that is every output. After that output, it will show this one. Okay, so inside I'm giving only the space. So you see here, I'm straight away going for the last step, executing everything. So it will show the output like this. In the same line, it will display the output 2 space 4 space 6 like this. Okay, the space we are giving here inside the quotation. Okay, so if you want anything to decorate, okay, like see, you can use anything. Like I'm using minus symbol. If you execute this means, so in between every output it will display minus. See here, 2 minus 4 minus 6. So that is for decoration. Okay, decorators. Students understood? End equal to, like this you can use. Other, if you didn't give end means this will automatically go for the next line. Okay, so you can use any character per here. Any character you can use. Okay, so I am using hash symbol. Okay, if I execute this, it will include hash inside every value. Okay, see here, 2 hash, 4 hash, 6 hash. Okay, understood, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Students, yes.
Yes, sir.
So kindly note down. Noted means raise your hands. Everyone, noted and understood means raise your hands. Kindly raise your hands fast, students. Next, we will see the different program. Only 2 students understood. What about remaining? Students, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Kindly raise your hands. That is enough. If you understood means raise your hands. Otherwise, ask me the doubts. Yes. Very good. So lower your hands. So we will go for the next program. So next program, anyone try, students? So next program. Okay. Write a program to display the fifth multiplication table. Fifth multiplication table. Everyone know multiplication table, right?
Yes, sir.
1 into 5 equal to 5. 2 into 5 equal to 10. Like that, it will repeat up to 10 numbers. Okay, 1 into 5 to 10 into 5 equal to 50. Okay, so kindly tell the program by using while as well as for. Okay, anyone
Yes, sir.
who is ready?
So shall I say, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, x is equal to 5.
Okay.
So then, while x is lesser than or equal to 50,
Okay.
then colon print x is equal to x plus 5.
Print.
So print x.
Okay. So see, I need output like this. 1 into 5 equal to 5. 2 into 5 equal to 10. Okay, it should display like this. Understand? Like
Yes,
this,
sir.
it should continue up to 10 into 5 equal to 50. Okay, so now just rearrange the print screen. Print statement only mistake. Okay, no, whatever you are giving, it will display here. Okay, so kindly change this.
Yes. Sir,
How
x
to give
comma.
x comma.
Sir, end equal to.
Okay, no, no, not like that. So actually, here we are not going to change the 5. Okay, 5 is a constant, so no need to do anything. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to change the value 1 to 10. Every time we are changing the value 1 to 10, the changing only we have to give as a condition variable. So I am using I equal to 1. Okay, here I less than or equal to 10 or I less than 11, like that you can use. Okay, so inside what I'm going to do is I want to display the I. Okay, I in the output screen. So whatever you are giving inside the quotation, it will display I. Okay, then that is without quotation means it will display the value. Within the quotation means it will display the I directly. Okay, so I comma I'm using x. X, that is a normal x. Okay, that is a multiplication operator like small x. It will look like a multiplication operator. Okay, cross symbol. Then next value we are going to display 5. Okay, so that also you can use here into 5. Then equal to, that is also we can display. Okay, then what is the result means we have to multiply I into 5. What is the operator used for multiplication, students?
A star.
Star operator. Okay, so I star 5. So every time I only changing, remaining everything is constant. Okay, so second iteration it will be 2 into 5 equal to, it will do the multiplication operation. 2 into 5 10. It will display the answer 10. Understood, students?
Okay, sir.
Yes. But now what is missing? We have to update the value of I. Okay. So now tell me what is the value here?
So x is equal to x plus 5.
I. Okay. I is the
Yes,
variable I
sir. I
used
is
here.
equal
I
to
equal
I
to
plus.
I plus 1. Okay. That's all. Okay. So kindly listen. So I'm going to execute this. Copy. Then I'm pasting in the screen. Tutor website. You see in the right side. I'm pasting the same program. Okay. So executing. You see here. I only changing. That is every time we are going to change the I value. Okay. See first one I value 1. It's checking the condition true. So it's going to print this one. 1 into 5 equal to 5. Okay. Next iteration I becomes 2 and it's doing the operation like 2 into 5 equal to 10. So like this it will repeat until 10. Understood everyone?
Okay, sir.
So in the real life, we are doing this kind of repeated things. Okay, repeated things only we can solve by using looping concepts. Okay, repeated things you should solve by looping concepts, and the decision making you can go for if else. Okay, so kindly you should understand because you will know only the question, okay, but you should understand thing and how to solve, which type we should use, whether we should use if else type or while looping concepts. So that thing you have to decide, okay. That is a output will be a repeated one, repeated process, or it is a single output by selection method, okay. Understood? ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் புரியுதாப்பா? நம்ம ரியல் டைம் ப்ராசஸ் வச்சு நீங்க தான் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணணும். நம்மளுடைய அவுட்புட் வந்து ரிப்பீட்டடா நடக்குதா, இல்ல டெசிஷன் டிசைட் பண்றோமா, அதாவது இஃப் எல்ஸ் ட்ரூ ஃபால்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணி டிசைட் பண்றோமா அப்படிங்கறது நீங்க தான் டிசைட் பண்ணணும். ஏன்னா ஆஃப்டர் கம்ப்ளீட்டிங் எவ்ரி திங் த காமன் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் வில் ஹேவ் ஆல் டைப் ஆஃப் கொஷின்ஸ். கொஷின் மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு வந்து இந்த இஃப் எல்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க, நெஸ்டட் இஃப் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க, ஃபார் லூப் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்கன்னு அங்க மென்ஷன் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு டிசைட். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் புரியுதா? ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைக்குதா எல்லாருக்கும்?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, kindly note this program with the output. Okay. So now anyone try. So not anyone, everyone try in the for loop. That is your homework. Okay. The same program using for loop. That is the homework. Okay. Understood everyone?
Okay, sir.
So homework, I am going to give two programs. The first one, this one, they write a program to display the fifth multiplication table. So otherwise, the seventh multiplication table you can use. Any multiplication, you can get the user input also. N equal to integer of input of, enter the value. Then you can proceed that N inside the condition. Okay, that is also possible. So using for loop, kindly understand for loop. I need a solution using for loop. Okay. Then the second program, I need everyone to display the series like this. Write a program to display the series like series 100, 95, 90 like this. It should go up to 5. Okay. Understood everyone? The second program
Okay.
using both while loop and for loop. Okay. Students understood the question? The second one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these three homeworks. The second homework is two programs. Okay, using for loop and also while loop. Okay. First program only using while for loop. So kindly listen everyone and do it now. Kindly do it now and submit me. I am giving you time. Kindly do it now.
Okay, sir.
Yes, kindly do now, students. Everyone, start doing. After completion, kindly upload it in the MS Team in the chat box. Do it now, students. It will take only 10 minutes. Kindly do it now. I will check after the answer you are uploading now. I will check. One second, wait. I will show the homework. So kindly think and solve. Everyone, think and solve. Everyone try. First of all, everyone try. Anyway, I will show the solutions later. But everyone try. Okay, you correct or not? Kindly try. Then only you will correct your mistakes later. Okay. Kindly do it now.